Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're going to be looking at changing the subject of a given formula. Our objectives are 1. Identify the subject of a given formula. Rearrange the formula to isolate a different term in the formula. And we're going to demonstrate this with 2 examples. Example 1. Make L the subject of the formula A equals to LW. Now A equals to LW, area equals the length times the width. Something we need to recognize is that LW, 2 letters together, means that we're multiplying L by W. Now the opposite of multiplication is division. So what we're going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by W. And when we do that, it's going to cancel out the W's and we're going to be left with L. So before, the subject of our formula was A. We have rearranged it to have L as the new subject of the formula, which is what was asked. Now we can turn it around and it can be L equals to A over W. So to find the length, we need to divide the area by the width. Example 2. Make X the subject of the formula Y equals to mx plus c. Y equals mx plus c. Now the subject here is Y. It is on its own on the left hand side and we're asked to make X the new subject. So Y is equals to, we're going to move the plus c and it's going to become a minus c equals to mx. Again, mx, 2 letters together means m times x. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides of this equation by m because m is being multiplied by x. So we're going to divide by m to cancel out m so that we only have x on one side of this equation. So we're going to get y minus c over m is equals to x. We can't cancel out m here. There's nothing to cancel out m. So we're going to be left with y minus c over m equals to x. So this is the subject, the new subject of this formula. We can turn it around and we're going to get x equals to y minus c over m. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.